Hello friends, here we have Vivo V9 for review. Vivo launched this phone a month ago in Pakistan and we have spent all that time with this phone before informing you about everything you need to know about it. The phone costs 38,000 Pakistani rupees or $350 US. Now let's not just spare more time and check what Vivo offers in their retail box. Full view display, 24 megapixel front camera, dual rear camera, and 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage. That's all about key features. Let's go ahead and open the box. That's the envelope on top, and then the Vivo V9, covered well into plastic wrapper. Just put it aside for a bit and see what we got else in the box. This is some paperwork, something that you should read yourself. That's the SIM eject tool and a transparent silicone phone cover included in the package. Here's a big charger, but unfortunately it's not a fast one. It is a 2 ampere charger, so it shouldn't be that bad. Earphones are fancier than just standard rounded ones. We will see what kind of sound they can deliver. Finally, here is the connectivity cable with micro USB connector. Let's plug it up as I'm really interested to experience the Vivo V9. Here it is. Take this wrapper off the phone. This is really classy. Oh well, glossy too. Before you get excited, it's plastic. A very fine glossy finish. Front glass is totally flawless from one corner to the other. There is no mention of any Gorilla Glass, but it is scratch resistant. If talking about the components, then on the left of the phone we have the SIM slot. You can put 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card all together. That's much better than those hybrid slots. At the bottom we have the micro USB port, a loudspeaker, and an audio jack. There's a mouthpiece too down there. The power button and the volume buttons are on the right side as usual. That's the perfect place for these two. Now here is the dual camera on the back with an LED flash. Right there below you can see the fingerprint scanner as well. Believe me that it's really a cute piece to get your hands on. But the plastic build quality has my reservations for the price tag it carries. Oh, I haven't turned on the phone yet. Now that's what I wanted to see by myself, to know how does the iPhone 10 like display looks like on an Android phone. It's a 6.3-inch display with 1080p display resolution and 85% of the screen to body ratio. Vivo writes it to be 90% on the product page. You shouldn't really care about those numbers because the most important thing is what you see. And what I am seeing, this display is quite gorgeous. Now this control center is also like iOS. There are frequent app icons, brightness and volume controls are there, quick toggles and switches. You can change them and rearrange them as well. Pull down the notifications from top edge. The notch on the display is shorter than what we saw on iPhone 10. It's a good thing that more space will be usable for information. The phone comes with a 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage and is powered by Snapdragon 626 processor. It runs Fun Touch OS based on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. CPU real-time data. You really don't need this information. The software is mostly similar to iOS, that you don't even can access app-specific settings from within the apps. Fingerprint scanner is pretty much fast, but I have noticed some delays at occasions. In addition, the phone also offers face unlock, which is also impressively fast on this mid-range smartphone. The dual camera on the back is good in good ambient light, but it's bad in bad lighting conditions. This 16 and 5 megapixel camera unit has portrait mode that delivers fine bokeh effect. You can edit and refocus, readjust the aperture simulation. There are other camera features like live photo, ultra HD resolution, slow motion, and time-lapse video recording, HDR, flash control, and there are AR stickers that you may want to have fun with. There is a beauty mode, panorama mode, and professional mode too for some picky photographers. You can control focus manually. Some white balance presets, no Kelvin temperature. Shutter speed as low as 16 seconds. ISO sensitivity up to 3200. And exposure compensation from -2 to +2. I'm impressed with the front camera results more than the rear camera. This 24 megapixel camera can take enough light to make your images colorfully bright. Both the rear and front cameras can record 4K video at 30 fps, which is good in result. 1080p and 720p footage never came sharp when we tested. Color reproduction was also not that great. Performance-wise, this phone is good to go in most cases. Games were good to play without any issue, but one game that I felt the phone started getting warm just within seconds was the PUBG Mobile. Battery on the other hand isn't managed well. It's not that great to keep up the whole day with a little over moderate usage. And bad thing is that it doesn't have fast charging to give some quick chews in first 5 or 10 minutes. This phone really has some elements to attract customers, especially the bright display, which is quite impressive, and selfie camera is commendable. This phone shouldn't be priced as high as 38,000. Price tag of 32K would be justifiable. Find the link below to read full review and more camera samples. And if you like this review, you can hit the like button down there and subscribe for more reviews to come. Thank you. Good luck with your next smartphone.